perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and...
The Little 5 Points Halloween Festival and Parade in Atlanta, GA. The Little 5 Points Halloween Festival and Parade in Atlanta, GA. The Halloween Carnaval in West Hollywood, CA. The Halloween Carnaval in West Hollywood, CA.
Things that don't exist in objective reality.
The Halloween Parade and Festival in Louisville, CA. The Halloween Parade and Festival in Louisville, CA. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party in Orlando, FL. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party in Orlando, FL. The Krewe of Boo Parade and Costume Extravaganza, New Orleans, LA. The Krewe of Boo Parade and Costume Extravaganza, New Orleans, LA. The RMS Queen Mary's Dark Harbor in Long Beach, CA. The RMS Queen Mary's Dark Harbor in Long Beach, CA. The annual Masquerade Ball at the Shining Hotel in Estes Park Company. The annual Masquerade Ball at the Shining Hotel in Estes Park Company. Halloweentown in St. Helens, or Halloweentown in St. Helens, or Headless Horseman-Themed Haunts in Sleepy Hollow, NY. Headless Horseman-Themed Haunts in Sleepy Hollow, NY. A month-long celebration of all things witchy in Salem, MA. A month-long celebration of all things witchy in Salem, MA.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.
He becomes confused, and he displays